Good evening, everyone. I am Andrew Zarin D. Saison from ABM 12, and tonight I will show you the tips and advices on how to spot fake news. So, number one, check the source. Check the web address for the page that you're looking for. But sometimes, fake news sites may have spelling errors in the URL or useless conventional domain extensions such as Infonet or .offer. If you are unfamiliar with the site, look in the About Us section. And number two, check the author. Research them to see if they are credible. For example, are they real? Do they have good reputation? Are they writing about their specific area of expertise? And do they have a particular agenda? Consider what the writer's motivation might be. Number three, check other sources. Are other reputable news or media outlets reporting on that story? Are credible sources cited within the story? Professional global news agencies have editorial guidelines and extensive resources for fact-checking, so if they are also reporting the story, that's a good sign. And number four, maintain a critical mindset. A lot of fake news is cleverly written to provoke strong emotional reactions such as fear or anger. Maintain a critical mindset by asking yourself, why has this story been written? Is it promoting a particular cause or agenda? Is it trying to make me click through another website? And number five, check the facts. Credible news stories will include plenty of facts, data, statistics, quotes from experts, and so on. If these are missing, question why. Reports with false information often contain incorrect dates or altered timelines. So, it's a good idea to check when the article was published. Is it a current or old news? Number 6. Check the comments. Even if the article or video is legitimate, the comments below may not be. Often links or comments posted in response to content can be auto-generated by bots or people hired to put out misleading or confusing information. Check your own biases. That is number 7. We all have biases. Could these be influencing the way you respond to the article? Social media can create echo chambers by suggesting stories that match your existing browsing habits, interests, and opinions. The more we read from diverse sources and perspectives, the more likely it is that we can draw accurate conclusions.